Okay, so I wanted to show you what we're going to use this semester. Basically, we're going to use Google. We're going to use Google Classroom as our online platform, and it's going to work as a Facebook platform. So each week, we're going to input the information for that week, the advising session, or any other program information that we want you to know about. You have all been invited to the Senior Thesis 1 course. That's Jocelyn's online course that you all have to be registered for. And then you also are invited for the IRIS Internship in Global Issues course. And if I go into it, I just want to show you, this is going to be the platform. You all have to go into this platform, and you should do it on a regular basis throughout the semester. So throughout the week, just go daily to see and check out any news that we post. And you're going to always have, our main page where we're going to start posting information, and also where this video is going to be posted as well. And you are going to be able to ask us questions throughout this post, but also if you need, any other, other questions, you can also use email or our closed group Facebook page. So this is going to be where all the information for the internship course will be posted on. I also want to show you that we've invited all of you to our course calendar. Please revise these. What you're going to see is that on a weekly or bi-weekly sessions, you're going to have the advising session. If you click on those links, there's going to be some descriptors of things that you need to cover for that week, and also assignment deadlines for the internship in global issues as well as the senior thesis. How it works is that the senior thesis and the internship in global issues overlap, in that you're going to be working with your advisor with the draft proposal. So all the work that you do with your advisor has to do with thinking about your research questions, thinking about the sources that you want to add to your literature review, and then the field experience or the primary source that you gather in the field, and how you want to bring that into your case study paper. You're going to write your draft, send it to your advisor will read it, give you the feedback, and then you write the final paper to Jocelyn. So we have to work on a very set schedule in order for this to work effectively. So the first step will always be the work with your advisors. The second step will be sending the work to Jocelyn. So just check your calendar, and also we may add certain activities to this program. So just be aware that the calendar is there. The other important thing that I want you to look at is that we have a Google Drive where we're going to have all the program documents. And here it is. You're going to see this drive, a classroom. You click on it. All of you will have your separate folder with the name of your advisor and yourself. All the assignments have to be uploaded here so that your advisor can just go into Google Docs, give you the review, and you can instantly see those reviews. So please please upload all of your documents in this folder. If we go to the IRIS folder and we go to academic and program information, you're gonna see the handbook, right? That I emailed to you, but if you want to reference it or refer to it, this is going to be it. For those that are doing independent study locations, there is a budget form that you all have to complete. So please make sure to complete this form and send it to me this week. The other form that I need you all to read and also review and sign is the ethical guidelines. All of you took the city program ethical workshop as part of the junior research seminar, and now you have to read this form and sign it, just because we want to make sure that all of your field work coincides with IRB protocol. So we are going to be asking you to sign this and send it to Rachel and myself. So be sure to access it in Google Drive, read it, sign it, send it to us. And then you are gonna have here also the internship syllabus where you can get the weekly assignments that we're gonna be using throughout the semester. Please review this syllabus carefully. It's gonna have week by week sessions, including the type of assignments that you're gonna be graded on. How this internship course works is that your advisor is gonna grade this course. This is a 6-credit course. 40% of the 6-credit course is your internship experience. So at the end of the semester, you all have to ask your internship supervisor to write an internship evaluation form and send it to your advisor. And the rest consists basically on 10 advising sessions that have very specific guidelines and assignments that you have to follow. So you have the oral presentation or video presentation if you're away from your advisor that you will have to do. That would be 10% of the country you're going, the organization, and your research question. You're gonna do the draft of your research proposal, so you're gonna take what you've been working in the junior research seminar, review it, and send it to your advisor. And then you're gonna also have to send a draft of your case study paper, which would be more at the, on the middle end of the semester. And you see that they're all drafts, so the end work of these documents have to be sent to Jocelyn as part of the Senior Thesis 1 course. But all of these are 15%, so once you send it to the advisor, this should be like pretty finalized versions of your work. So if you go down, you're gonna see the week by week scheduling of how we're gonna work throughout the semester. So if you see, we're on week 1, so be ready to review your research proposal with your advisor. Also, your registration is very important. We have to make sure that you're registered according to the learning plan. So here, let's say you have to register for 2 required courses. That's the Senior Thesis 1, which is the GNYC 401 for 4 credits, and the GNYC 403, and that's for 6 credits. That gives you a total of 10 required credits. The other electives, you're gonna have to let us know what those are, and then we'll always double check so that registration coincides with your learning plan. And that's very important that you do all that this week. And also we're gonna start asking you to also give us and confirm your lodging information just in case it has changed now that you are on site, and there may be some things that might change, just so that we have the updated information. So I want you to revise this syllabus with your advisor, revise your research proposal, revise your registration, and also send us the forms, specifically the ethical guidelines form, the budget form if you're in an independent study location, and your credit breakdown. Okay, so that's all for now as far as the introduction for this semester. Okay, bye-bye.